I'm here at IT Expo in Miami with Eric Todd. He's CTO of NetXUSA. Tell us a bit about the company. What do you guys do?
Thanks, Paula. Good to be with you. NetXUSA is actually primarily a systems integrator consulting company who happens to be an actual distributor, primarily focused around networking products, telecommunications systems. And what we do with partners, primarily VARs, installers, and more importantly, of course, carriers, is we provide them pretty much all the solutions they need around the back office, device deployment, configurations, branding, and custom development. So we provide a lot of software development type solutions, custom development to these types of partners. So it's understanding their business processes and applying that to VoIP, networking installs, whatever it may be. The key is we provide a high level of automation and visibility to partners to where they can outsource the pieces that are costly to tie up capital, things of those natures, including support services, RMA services, provisioning services, and the like.
And I understand you had a fair amount of news here at IT Expo. Can you talk about what you announced and why?
So a couple things that we've got going on with partners. The primary one is really some new solutions around our Channelware platform, which is a suite of services we provide to carriers and VARs alike. Kind of ties in again with those back office type operational processes. A key part of that is our universal provisioning services. And what this is really a system that we've got some patents pending on that provides a methodology and ways to configure any CPE for any deployment. So it could be a phone, router, switch, access point, security camera, even something as complicated as an IP-PBX. So it provides a universal GUI of sorts to set things like firmware, boot ROMs, configuration templates, virtually any setting that a customer may want to have set on a device for deployment, with the end goal of having the solution plug and play for the install. It saves time, obviously, for the carrier or the VAR, utilizing the product, the solution, but it also gives us the opportunity to layer other services on it that they may do themselves, but more in a scalable and more efficient manner. So with that service, what we've actually released is another layer on top of that, specific to one of our partners, Digium, who we've been working with for close to about 9 years now. And we've launched something called SwitchVox System Builder. So it's using some of the same services we've developed around really configuring eCPE. The key is we've added the layers, kind of an overlay to our configuration systems to where it can walk a partner or a VAR through configuring the entire PBX. So from selecting the cards, the licenses, the phones, in a simple Q&A type manner to where it ensures you can't screw up your configuration. You virtually cannot order the wrong card to go in the system, the wrong type of license. It matches up phones with features and then builds out the pricing for the partner. And then it layers the actual configuration on the product where we set extensions for them, user information, SIP trunks, dial plans, network access rules, and all these things in that manner in an automated fashion. The key is it's automated, so it's 100% accurate every single time. And so with that service alone, which is free, we're providing partners really the ability to deploy an entire PBX with the phones, all the solutions and features on site. And virtually the customer can receive the products, plug it in, they can make phone calls in and out, do the normal operations. And the customer knows this is my device before they even take it out of the box. This is your phone as an example. Effectively, what this has done is it actually saves an average partner about 8 to 12 hours on an average installation.
Wow.
So pretty powerful tool. To the last thing, as far as what we've announced, is more of a joint thing with one of our partners, again, Digium. They've announced their IP phones, of course. We happen to be their largest distributor. So kind of touching on that, we're obviously facilitating, providing those phones, and supporting that. So just like anything else we do today, we've brought that into the mix, provide free support services around it, or providing configuration around it. And it's also, it was announced on Wednesday, it's also available from pre-order for us from us as well. and it's a part of that portfolio I just mentioned around the Switchvox system builder. So you can now tie in even more features, and it makes the solution all that more compelling.
Great. All right. Well, thank you very much. Again, it's Paula Bernier at IT Expo in Miami. We look forward to seeing you all at the next IT Expo in Austin.
Thank you, Paula.